Okay, good morning to our lecturer and to all the viewers. Today we will present about our group project, which is the club merit system. Start off, curriculum is very important for students' overall development. So schools in Terengganu have implemented a new system, which is a club merit system, to boost student involvement. Merit points for junior and senior clubs can be calculated and displayed by the system through the use of method like of object-oriented programming. Problem description. This system is designed to calculate merit points for school clubs, which is junior and senior. This system includes an abstract superclass with attributes of names, club names, start year, number of students, and the input of merit points based on the criteria given by the school club type. There will be two subclasses, which are junior and senior. The merit calculation is based on the criteria using the method calculate merit to define in each subclass and calculate total merit based on club activity level. The objective are: 1. To solve the problem about merit calculation. 2. To show the merit according to the question. 3. To give user an experience while navigating through the GUI.
So this is our group project, club merit as abstract, which is a super classes, while junior and senior is the subclasses. We have two subclasses, and club frame is our GUI, while club test app is the driver. So this is the junior subclasses. So we calculate total merit by deciding the club. Junior club has been established for more than 3 years by using if else, and district level by switch. So if the junior club has been established for more than 3 years, we need to calculate the total merit by adding 5% bonus. If the junior club has been established less than 3 years, then we want add 5% bonus. Next. Okay, so this is senior subclasses, which is we use if else for council rating and number of collab, and switch by state level. So we calculate total merit. If the council rating higher than 70%, we would add 20% of the merit. And if the number of collaboration between the industrial collaboration, we would add 10%. So in these subclasses, if the council rating higher than 70%, higher than a number of collab higher than 5, we add both of them, which is 20% and 10%. If it is not less than 5%, then we only add 20%. And if the council rating less than 5%, but the number of collab more than 5%, we only add 10%. And if both of them is less, which is less than 70, and number of collab less than 5%, we only decide the total merit as state level only.
So now, let's move on to the club frame, which is our GUI. For this GUI, we use J label, we use J button, and we use J text field and J text array. And for this class also, we dictate the array list as this in this GUI. And then for our button, we have a few different buttons with different set of action listener. For example, our enter button, it basically open the selected pages that the user enter. And then for the junior add button, it is for user to add the data they enter through our GUI. And then for the junior display button, it is used to display all the data that the user has entered. And then for our senior pages, it has the same function as the junior button. And then for our display pages, we have a return button, which allows the user to go back to the welcome pages to enter a new set of data.
Okay, so now we're going at the most important part for the display panel. So here is the method to display all the information in the display panel. So the first thing, the object string builder is quite crucial, as we need to have all the information that had been entered by the user will be stored at the here using string builder object. So that we can use a pen method to display the string here. So if club is empty, if there is no information, here the string no club data entered yet will be displayed in the panel. So else, if ada data, if there is a data, it will execute this. There is two loops here. As you can see, we use polymorphism method, which is club instead of senior and club instead of junior. Like HANIM said earlier, the club merit for senior is different with the junior. So we need to use polymorphism method. Next, for the second loop, is we need to identify the special senior club. So here, we only call the club instead of senior only. So if the club senior tu state level is S and the current senior merit above 2,500 and the number of collab is less than 3, more than 3, it will execute this coding. This coding is also quite crucial as we need to as we want to calculate the average merit letter. So we need to count how many special club, and also we need to count the total merit for the special senior merit. So okay, and this if the special senior club is exists, which is more than 0, it will calculate the average merit and it will display all of these things. And if there is no special senior club, it will just appear this one, no senior club found meeting the specified criteria. And that's it for the display panel.
Okay. Lastly, I will show you guys our jury. First thing first, you can see T is the welcome panel. So we need to first pick your level. T is the drop down box. So let's first choose junior and then click enter, and it will lead us to the club merit junior panel. First thing first, what happens if user accidentally click display without entering any information? It will pop out the message not at the club yet. Second, what happen if user accidentally click add without entering any information also? It will pop up the error message. Please enter valid number for your number of members and event number. So let's try enter some information. The district level, you can follow the indicator that provided below. And click add, it will pop out the message junior club added. And another pop-up message, you need to enter 9 more club details to view the display data. So if user wants to go to the senior panel, they can click the go to the senior panel, and if user wants to go back to the junior panel, they can click the button go to junior panel. So let's try put the data at the senior panel. State level can follow the indicator that provided below. As junior panel once, and it also show how many data that should be insert to the jury.
Now we will enter the information until it reach the size of array, which is 10.
So after user enter 10 information about their clubs, they can click the display button, and it will lead them to the display panel, which is all of this. It will show the information from club 1 to club 10, and it will show number of super senior club meeting criteria, number senior club found meeting the specified criteria, and and it will show total junior club merit and total senior club merit. And after that, to return to the main menu, which is the welcome panel, the user can click return and it will show to the welcome panel. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.